First go to the file and choose open. Select this road image, click open. Now take the line tool, increase the stroke size to 6 pixels, change the stroke color from white to red, draw these lines in this way. Now select the main layer, take the object selection tool, choose lasso mode, select the subject like this. Press Ctrl J to duplicate the selection, press Ctrl T for the transform option, enable the reference point, move this anchor point in this manner. Hold the Alt button and decrease the object size like this. Click Enter. Press Ctrl Shift Alt T to repeat the transformation. Let's see the final result.